Hello and Tashi Delek everyone. I'm Norbu. After years of teaching Tibetan language and culture to students from around the world, I am truly delighted to officially launch my new website, tibetanwithnorbu.info. This platform is not just a website, it is a place where anyone from anywhere in the world can begin their Tibetan language journey in a simple, structured, and meaningful way. Over the years, many students requested easier access to lessons, downloadable materials, flexible learning options, and a more organized learning experience. So, with a great dedication and hard work nearly a year, I created this new platform especially for all Tibetan language and culture lovers. Let me show you how it looks. So, in this website, you will find complete Tibetan language course, downloadable study materials, lifetime access to course, one-to-one learning support, and a more professional and comfortable learning experience. So, whether you are a complete beginner or someone who already has experience in Tibetan, this platform is designed to help you learn step by step at your own pace. Okay, so let me introduce a little bit about this website. So, when you enter tibetanwithnorbu.info, you will land on this page. So, here we have few options. First, about me, then courses, free lessons, dashboard, student registration, and account. Okay, so first, if you go to about me, there's a short introduction about myself. So if you want to know who I am, you can just go. Okay, then let's go to free lessons. And these are all free lessons I have right now, and I'm going to add more day by day. For example, if you go to practice real life Tibetan conversation, then you will come on this page and you can watch this video. And also you can download free PDF for this lesson as well. All right. And then you can also check other videos. For example, this is one for family members in Tibetan. Nangmitang Pinche. Okay, you can also download family members in Tibetan PDF here. Now you can register yourself here to access into the course. And then you can also go into course. Okay, and if you go to the course, so here is the course. And the first module is about 30 consonants and then vowels and superscript and subscript letters, prefix, suffixes, spelling, reading, noun and auxiliary verb, WH questions, and verb conjugation. So this is one option you can get each module, or else you can have all-in-one Tibetan master course. So if you enter into this, then you have all 9 modules in this one course. Okay, you can just start learning here, and then you will have all modules here. The first one I have introduction about overall module, and then the second one is the video, the actual one you can watch here, and the third one is PDF for the module 1, okay, which you can directly download here by clicking on this. And in the same way, the second module, first I've given all the instruction what we are going to do here, and then you can watch video and you study, and once you complete you can mark as a complete. Okay, then go to the next one. So in total right now I have 9 modules, and then you can download the PDF for the module as well. Okay, now let's go to home page. So this is how my course looks like. Okay, my all courses are here, and here I have some feedbacks given by my students. You can also read here. Okay, and then I have a video here with one of my students, Blake, who started learning Tibetan with me, and right now he speaks Tibetan fluently. And you can also visit my social media accounts from here. And if you have any questions or queries, you can always reach me through this email address or tibetanwithnorbu@gmail.com. Alright, so this is how the website looks like. So after completing all the modules, you will be able to read and write in Tibetan, and you can able to speak Tibetan in A1 level. So please visit my website and start learning Tibetan anywhere, anytime with self-paced learning course. So my goal has always been simple: to make Tibetan language and culture accessible to everyone around the world. I would also like to sincerely thank all my previous students and supporters. Your encouragement, trust, and support motivated me to create something even better. This is only the beginning. I look forward to continuing this beautiful journey together with all of you. Thank you so much for your support. Please visit tibetanwithnorbu.info. Let's keep Tibetan language and culture alive together. Thank you. Tujiche.